Gudka companies sell kites, distribute kites free with Gudka ads on it. In short, Gudka and tobacco companies target children. Okay, they make them addicts. They get tempted. They see on billboards. I live in Pune. Pune के मनपा की 50% buses पे पान मसाला की ads है. Okay, when they live in a society where tobacco by the film stars is so commonly promoted, they are gonna try it. And once they are old enough and they are addicted to it, तुम उन्हें कितना भी सुनाओ, वो लोग सुनने नहीं वाले. Okay, but at the right age, before they have tasted it, if we take the facts to them, they are not fools. They wouldn't take it. So that is what we are trying at. Approaching the youth and at the right age, taking the facts to them. And that is about children, but even to the society as large. When we reach and most adults get convinced that it is bad, then appropriate policies would get formed. Currently it doesn't get banned. Brown sugar is banned because everyone feels brown sugar is bad. Tobacco, most of us don't feel it's bad, and therefore it doesn't get banned. The day we are able to spread it to 30% of our society, it will get banned. Second, we need to express our opposition publicly. As you said, most people started to look hip. But if girls start saying, "Chhi, tu smoke karta hai," why would boys start it? Okay? We need to exercise our power to influence the society around us. We need to start speaking. When you are not objecting, you are partly responsible for his smoking and the consequences he'll face. Speak up. Second, public passive smoking. Okay? He has full rights to kill himself, but he has no rights to kill you. Start speaking. In US, if they want to smoke, they have to travel miles because people won't allow them to smoke. But we allow them. I think a resolution which all of us have to make is, from today on, I quit passive smoking. I would not allow anyone to smoke where I am there. By law, it is banned. Law is on my side. So why should I suffer? Speak up. Do not allow people to smoke where you are there. Anywhere where you are there is a public place, and others cannot smoke. They have to find their own place if they want to smoke. Okay? And third in that, companies. We have to start objecting to tobacco companies. Because tobacco is banned, they have started manufacturing other products so that they can continue to advertise themselves. When Manikchand makes Oxyrich, the brand Manikchand is in bigger print than Oxyrich because the purpose is to advertise for them. When ITC manufactures Sunfist, more than the profit of Sunfist, what they are interested is continuing to advertise ITC. They have created books like this, expressions, and behind that they write, every product of ITC you buy, 1 rupee goes to the rural poor. Be proud, you have brought an ITC product. Citizen First ITC campaign. Rubbish. Rogue companies, and they want to clear up their image that we are responsible companies who are considerate towards the people. They are screwing up the future of the rural children and then spending 1 rupee on their education. Citizen First. They are trying to fool the country, and we need to oppose, we need to boycott the products made by these companies so that they can stop advertising. There is a hospital in Pune which shows a huge banner of Manikchand. When a hospital does that, all those social workers who have campaigned for banning tobacco, all their efforts have been wasted. Is it the responsibility of a few workers to talk on tobacco, or is it responsibility of all of us to oppose their company unanimously? We need to boycott them. Okay? Fine. And third, for the safety of India's youth, it needs to be banned. Controversies about banning are there, and we will go into it if you all want, but maybe in the question and answer session. In short, talking about the ban, I'll say next. There is a county called as Pueblo in Colorado. In 2003, smoking in public places was banned there. Within 1.5 years, the hospital admission rate for myocardial infarction, that is for a heart attack, decreased by 27%. And within 3 years, the admission rate for heart attacks decreased by 41%. Bans work, period. Be it brown sugar, be it alcohol, be it tobacco. Bans work, this has been adequately demonstrated. Okay? And fine, next. I won't go into the controversies now. If we have time and we are enthused, we'll go into that. Next. Okay. Immediate policies which we must demand. One, the school curriculum should have more of alcohol and tobacco. When it is getting so common, then the children should be educated about it, because when it comes in the school textbook, it goes to the remotest village of our country, where currently only the billboards of the tobacco companies are going. No NGO is capable of reaching throughout the country, and government of course would never do it. Okay, we need it should come in the school textbooks. Sale in small packets. Okay, apparently not for minors. Why do they say it? The allegation the argument which the tobacco companies make is, जो लोग addicted है वो तो anyways खाने वाले, तो इसलिए हम लोग लीगली ये जहर बनाएंगे. जहर है फिर भी हम बनाएंगे क्योंकि जो एडिक्टेड वो तो खाने वाले. हाँ, नए बच्चों को हम नहीं बेचेंगे. Therefore not for minors. But fact is their main target is the minors. The very fact that they make in small packets which can be bought for 1 rupee, 2 rupee, they are helping the children to buy it. So gutkhas, which is currently the main thing which children are taking, that should be banned immediately, and no product which comes less than 10 rupees should be permitted. Okay. Surrogate ads should be banned, because of course they make no sense. You make soda bottles which look exactly the same, you make pan masala packets which look exactly the same, and you add. It's just violating the ban completely in its spirit. Okay, why are we tolerating it? That also should be banned. Yeah. Sorry? I mean,
it's a surrogate ad.
Yeah, it should be banned. Why not?
Because actually when
it should be banned, of course.
The LI was launched, it was actually told as the biggest publicity campaign for the company.
Of course. And this is what exactly, even now if you go to see, Kingfisher must be earning more from alcohol than from the airline.
Yes.
Okay. And the argument, we have freedom. When you are making poisons, you lose your freedom then. Even if you want to do that, do it with a separate name. Fine. So that's the way it is. Next. Fine. I'll end it with the last or second last slide. Is there hope? Will things change? So I like to quote the example of Gadchiroli. Gadchiroli is the most backward district of Maharashtra. When Dr. Abhay Bang went there and started to work, he saw alcohol is the root cause of all the problems out there. Right from social to health problems also. So he went to them, conducted group meetings. People came and talked because of alcohol, how much they are getting harm. Everyone was convinced. And people demanded a ban from the government. Government said, if we ban, we won't get revenue, we cannot spend on you. People said, you sell alcohol to us, you kill us, earn from it and spend a part of it on us. Don't fool us. Keep our money with us and we will take good care of our health. Government had to ban it. If this can happen in Gadchiroli, can't it happen in our educated towns for tobacco? Of course it can, provided people are willing to work on it. With the kind of networking which we have, tap one button and it will go to thousands. We can do it, provided we work on it. Okay. I'll end with saying, there is a saying, the evil in the society is not so much because of the violence of the bad, but it's because of the silence of the good. Because we do not object, things continue. And it's our responsibility of educated citizens to object. Okay, I'll take the question and answers. Yeah, good.